All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So aerospace. Aerospace. So let's try and get a plane. Yeah, here we are. Here we are. Yeah, okay. So the technology. So let's try and get a picture of technology. Perhaps anything. This might do the trick. The technology that concerns, concerns flight and space flight. Here we are, space flight, there we are. So we could say, so flight and space flight. Very good. And space flight, yeah. How cool is that? So I work in the aerospace industry. Yeah. This technology will be a breakthrough in aerospace. Yeah. Oops, aero. Yeah. How cool is that? We have been involved in the aerospace industry for a while. I am learning all about aerospace that I can. Yeah. Very good. That I can. Yeah. He wants to be involved in aerospace. So he likes planes a lot. Yeah. Yeah. Well, he likes aeroplanes a lot. Yeah. How cool is that? He knows the history of aerospace, the developments of the technology over the years. Yeah, he knows a lot about aerospace. Yeah. We're writing our aerospace reports. These documents, these reports, very important pieces of information. The aerospace company needs these reports soon. These documents soon. Try and get a picture. These documents, yeah. Soon. Soon. How cool is that? What will the future of aerospace be like? So we need to look at the technology of tomorrow so we can predict what the future of aerospace will be like way into the future. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Aerospace, the technology concerning flight and space flight. How cool is that? So, can you use aerospace in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.